October 22nd, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. We're going to fill in the table with the correct items on the left into these boxes. So we have some empty boxes here, and we're going to fill them in with these fillers. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, well, we have terms, we have definitions, and we have examples. So let's take a look at the terms. So this term variable, what is the definition of a variable? Is it the biggest number that will divide two or more other numbers exactly? No, not necessarily. Is it a symbol standing in for an unknown numerical value in an equation? Yeah. So a variable is going to be that symbol. So like it's going to be a letter. So an example, we need to find the examples too. The examples, oh my goodness, here's an example. X, Y, A, Z. Any of those, any letter is an example of a variable. Easy peasy. All right, let's take a look at the next part. So we have a blank here. The definition is the multiplying of a sum or difference by a number that will produce the same result of multiplying each number in the sum or difference by a number, then adding or subtracting the products. All right, it also gives us an example. So it shows us that it's taking the 7 and it is multiplying it through. It's distributing it. This is actually going to be the distributive property. Yes, it is. We know the distributive property. All right, let's take a look at the last one. Let's hope this matches up. So our term is the GCF, which stands for greatest common factor. The definition, we need to figure out what that is. And the example, so remember when we're factoring out using our greatest common factor and the distributive property, that greatest common factor is going to go in the front of the parentheses. So the definition, the biggest number that will divide two or more other numbers exactly. Yep, so that key word in there is going to be biggest for greatest common factor, the biggest number. So make sure we're looking at those key words and we're paying attention to those. It'll help you a lot. Great job.